Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. So for today's tutorial, it's going to be how I cleanse my makeup brushes without purchasing a makeup cleanser. We all own what I'm going to use. We have it in our individual houses, okay? It's what we already own. You don't need to buy anything else. So please do continue watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell as well. So this is the liquid dishwasher that I'll be using. I prefer this brand and this one because it has lemon inside of it. Lemon is supposed to help to kill germs. Also, I'll be using my kitchen sink to wash my makeup brushes, and I'll be cleaning that as well before starting the procedure. And the reason why I chose my kitchen sink is because most of the product that we use in makeup has oil in it. So the kitchen sink is a lot more easier to cleanse afterwards when you're done washing your makeup brushes compared to the bathroom, which is pure white. It will be kind of difficult because you have oily and greasy products all around it. All right, so this particular video is self-explanatory as from this place. If I have anything else to say, guys, I will surely come back. All right, the water that I'll be using today, it's lukewarm, like it's not cold, it's not hot, it's just in between. So I just put in my liquid dishwasher and dump in my brushes and started cleaning them individually. So we're going to be needing this makeup brush scrubber. I bought it on Amazon long time ago. So this is where I started cleansing. I did not even use anything with the beauty blender. It's just coming out like easy, so easy, honestly speaking. I can't stress that enough, guys. And when I found out that it was a little bit difficult in some part, I used the scrubber to get rid of that, and it was easy as well. So that was what I did all through. Wash them individually on this makeup scrubber, brush scrubber rather, and that was it. After I was done, I cleansed the brushes as well. You all need to see the water is so dirty, like so dirty. Look at that. And I just let the water went through, and I cleansed, rinsed them individually, shape them back into their normal shape with a paper towel, and then serve them like a buffet on the tray so that they can air dry. And that is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.